Hello and welcome to brick tip number 44. So this weekend I had some time to think about the impossible box and the frame and different things I wanted to do this week, and I came out and experimented with using hinges to create the impossible box, and it worked fabulously well. In fact, I think this one is far better than the original, and I think it's going to be much more useful for you, especially building those caves and mountain scenes, etc., because the dimensions work so much better. The studs all line up on the sides. You see, in the original one there was the sides overlapped, and in this one there's two sides that are pushed in, and then the two sides are flush on the side, so I think it's going to be much better for you. I'm going to quickly take it apart so you can see how I constructed it, but I will go in the design video into greater detail about how it was built so that you can build one of your own. So here we go. The top just pops off. There's only a couple brackets there. Much more simple than the original one where I had to use the axle and the round bricks. So that they both pop off easily enough, and then we can take off the sides, one side and the other side, and you can basically see the frame now around the outside, which are just four brackets or four hinges put together, and then four hinges on the other side. So notice that the double finger hinges are on the same side, and the single finger hinges are also on the same side, so that will make it easier to just snap the box together and also to take it apart. In here you can see that I used a few stacked plates, and then I put a 2x6 plate across that. If you want to use just a straight 6x8 plate, that would negate the need to put in that extra plate to hold it all together. Alright, so we're gonna put it together quickly. Now, because this construction is really tight, it does take a little bit of work to get everything back together. I suggest putting the top and bottom on first before you get the sides on. So there you go, you got a different style of impossible box to play with and come up with new uses for. I'm definitely going to be switching to this one because I really like how the dimensions work on it. So, hopefully you found this useful. If so, please like, subscribe, and share it around so others can enjoy it. Thanks so much, have a fantastic day, and keep dreaming of bricks. Bye-bye.